Hi guys, I am Kayum. So in this video, I will explain you how to create a new user inside Oracle database. So let me start the DB. I'm logging as a SysDB. So okay. Now I'm logging as a SysDB. Let me show you. Show user. Okay. Let clear the screen. Okay. So now for creating a user, we need to give a command create user. uh, let create a user oracle user. Okay. Create username identified by password. For that I am giving oracle 1 2 3 4. Okay. We need to specify the default table space for this user, so that all the tables, indexes, all that object that created by this user or schema will get stored inside the table space. So I am selecting table space users as, and then specify the temporary table space temp. Okay. Then you need to specify quota, which how much it can consume. Unlimited on users. Okay. So by using this statement, create. Okay. Create user, and then you can give your username identified by you can give the password, then specify the default table space. So here I have specified, I given users as a default table space, then temporary table space, which is by default we can take a temp or anything else, and then quota unlimited on users. Okay. So oracle user can store any amount of data on users table space. Okay. Then hit enter. Okay. So oracle user is created. So let me select username. Username, account status from uh, DBA users, where username is equal to oracle user. Okay. No, selected. 1 minute. Create user. Select username from DBA users. Okay. Okay. So let me show you. Okay, here is our user, oracle user. Okay. So we have successfully created a user called oracle user. So let me clear the screen. Okay. So we can connect using oracle user. For that we need to give some permission, grant connect to our user. Okay. So I'm giving oracle user, grant connect to oracle user. Okay. So we have given grant connect permission to the oracle user. Now we need to give grant create session to oracle user, so that our user can create any sessions on this database. Okay. So let me exit from SQL plus, and let me again log in as an oracle user, oracle Oracle 1234. One, two, three, four. Okay. Okay, I have login as an Oracle user. Okay. So right now we have created a user called Oracle user. We have given permission. We have given grant connect permission to the Oracle user. We have given create a session permission. Create session permission to the Oracle user, and that's why we are now able to connecting to the Oracle using the Oracle user, our user. Now how to drop the Oracle user? Okay, so for this we need to give command drop user Oracle user, then cascade. This is a command that can remove the Oracle user from the database. Okay, so enter. Okay, so it is saying you don't have sufficient privilege. For this we need to log in as an sysdb. Okay, so I am logging as an sysdb right now. Okay, again give the same command. Okay, copy. Okay, copy, paste it here, then hit enter. Okay, we have currently dropped the Oracle cascade, Oracle user. So here drop user, our username, then cascade. Cascade will include everything. Cascade will include whatever your objects created by the Oracle user, that would also include there. So in this session we have learned that how to create a user inside Oracle database, how to drop the user, how to give certain permission to the user. So the steps are, first we need to so let me tell you. First login as sysdb. Okay, login as sysdb. How can we do that? Expert plus as sysdb. Okay, then create user name. Okay, identified by password. Okay, then default table space, anything, table space name. Okay, so I'm taking users temporary table space, temporary table space, quota unlimited. Okay, unlimited this will create user. Then we need to give grant connect to our user. Okay, user. Then we need to grant create session to user, and there are many more options that you can give, or instead you can give DBA role to the but generally we don't do that. Generally we don't do that. uh, uh, I want to share when creating a user, if Aura 65096 uh, invalid common user or role name. Okay, if this error occurs, so what will be the solution for this? You need to do you need to log in as an SQL plus as okay. Then you command like alter session set oracle script. Okay, true. Okay. Then hit enter, and then you can create this error often comes in Oracle 21c. Right now we are on 19c, so we don't have any problem with it. But if you have Oracle 21c, then there would be such a problem will come, because Oracle 21c is a multi-tenant Oracle database. That means we cannot create a non-CDB database there. It's by default CDB. So CDB means container database. Okay, we need to create a container database that would be selected by default, and there will have one or more PDBs, pluggable database, one or more PDBs. So because of that, it often create a problem. Uh, so in this case, we will, if you don't want to alter a session, okay, in Oracle 21c, uh, uh, login as an CDB. Then if you don't want to alter session, okay, uh, this would be good approach. Then you can simply uh, do one thing. Here you need to specify C double dash. Uh, this type of username you need to specify. Okay, for preventing the uh, for preventing uh, for preventing for preventing uh, around 65096 error. Okay, you need to specify C double hash username. Okay, instead of just username which is in 19c. Okay, this would be applicable for Oracle in Oracle 19c. Okay, in Oracle 19c you can just simply create username and your work is done. But in case of Oracle 19c, there would be no non-CDB database available. So by default, we need to create a C double hash username. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all enjoy this video.